Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing. In this tutorial, we are going to creating this flag animation in Alight motion. And one more thing, thank you so much for 3k subscribers. Okay, let's get started. Create a new project, name your project here. Select 16:9 aspect ratio. And my resolution is 1080 pixels with 30 frames per second. Select any background color. Now tap on Create Project. Let's add a rectangle shape. Now tap on this 3 dots here. Select Stretch to Screen. Now change this shape color to black. Now increase this layer duration up to 10 seconds. Now select this layer, tap on Effects, tap on Add Effect. Select Cloud Effect from Procedural. Here, increase scale value. Decrease intensity value little much. You can play with these settings here. Now select Position. Add a position keyframe at the first frame of this layer. Now move to last frame of this layer. Here increase X value up to 300%. This is how it's looking now. Now at this keyframe increase Y value up to 100%. Now we have this kind of animation. Now rename this layer as Clouds. Now duplicate this layer. Tap on Effects, hide Clouds effect here. Now tap on Add Effect. Select Fractal Ridges effect from Procedural. Tap here to open Properties. Increase scale value as I shown in the video. Now select Position, and add a position keyframe at the first frame. Now move to last frame of this layer, and increase X value up to 300%, and Y value up to 100%. Now select Evolution. Add Evolution keyframe at the first frame. Now move to last frame of this layer. Here increase Evolution value as I shown in the video. This is depend on your layer duration. If your layer duration is less than 10 seconds, then you can go for 10%. Now we have this kind of animation. Now rename this layer as Fractal Ridges. Now blend this layer mode normal to multiply. Now it will look something like this. Now duplicate this layer. Select this layer, tap on Effects, and hide Fractal Ridges effect. Now tap on Add Effect. Select Turbulence effect from Procedural. Change this layer blend mode for a moment. Now increase scale value as I shown in the video. Add Evolution keyframe at the first frame of this layer. Now move to last frame of this layer. Here increase Evolution value as I shown in the video. Now blend this layer mode normal to multiply. Now it will look something like this. Increase intensity value if you want. Add a position keyframe at the first frame of this layer. Now at the last frame of this layer, increase X value up to 300%, and Y value up to 100%. In my previous project, I didn't add turbulence effect. Select fractal ridges effect layer. Increase intensity value of this layer as I shown in the video. Now select all these layers. Now tap on this grouping icon to group all these layers. Now rename this layer as displacement. Now import flag image. Fit this image into canvas size. Simply tap on this 3 dots, and select stretch to screen. Now increase this layer duration. Now drag it to down. Select displacement layer, tap on effects. Tap on add effect, select displacement map effect from distortion, warp. Increase offset X value up to 5%, and Y value up to 10%. Now we have this kind of animation. If we add shadows, it will look more elastic. Let's add shadows. Duplicate displacement map layer. Select top layer. Tap on effects. Hide displacement map here. Now blend this layer mode normal to multiply. Decrease opacity up to 50% maybe. Now it will look something like this. Let's add a fabric texture to flag. Now resize it as I shown in the video. Now tap on effects. Select tiles effects from distortion and warp. Enable mirror here. Increase this layer duration. Now blend this layer mode normal to multiply. Cool. Now drag this layer here. This is my final animation, guys. You can download my project file from description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.